Okay, everyone, this is our installation ceremony committee, minus one person. And for weeks and weeks and weeks, we've met and pulled out a phenomenal in-person inaugural installation ceremony for the new elected members of the Randallstown Branch of the NAACP. Wait till you see the video, but say, hey, everyone, we did it. Part of the installation ceremony crew. Hey, Nelson. Hey. Hi. We did it, guys. We did it. Oh.